This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious KFC-style biscuits right in your own kitchen. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget 1½ teaspoons of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. For that signature flakiness, grab 3 tablespoons of vegetable shortening and 4 tablespoons of butter-flavored shortening. Finally, have 1 cup of cold buttermilk and some melted butter for later. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your 2 cups of flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, and baking soda. Whisk these dry ingredients until they are thoroughly blended. Next, add the cold vegetable and butter-flavored shortenings. Use a fork or pastry blender to cut them into the dry mixture until it looks like coarse crumbs. Slowly pour in 1 cup of cold buttermilk, stirring gently until a soft, sticky dough forms. Remember, do not overmix. A light hand is key for tender biscuits. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those perfect biscuits. Lightly flour a clean work surface and turn out your sticky dough. Gently knead the dough about 10 to 12 times, just until it's no longer sticky. Avoid overworking it. Divide the dough into 2 equal pieces. Roll each half to approximately 1/2 inch thick. Then, use a 2-inch biscuit cutter to cut out your individual biscuits. You can re-roll any scraps once to get a few more. The final step is baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your cut biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet. For softer sides, arrange them so their edges are barely touching. Bake them for about 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. As soon as you remove them from the oven, brush the hot biscuits generously with melted butter. Serve them warm and enjoy your homemade, flaky, and buttery KFC-style biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.